Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Candy Perler Fairy, where you will find all my amazing 3D perlers creations, tutorials, and cute perler ideas. So lately I've been posting a lot of like building vlog, so it's like a blog but in the video form to show you some of my 3D perlers that's created, because some of the design they have so many pieces and it's really hard to put in a tutorial, and also some of the pattern is not shareable, but I still want to show you guys how they are made, and you know, it's really fun to put them together. So I hope you enjoy those vlogs, as well as vlog. I also made some like short clips, so they're under like a minute, so just for fun and entertainment, and I hope you enjoy those as well. So if you're new to my channel, or if you've been following me sometimes, you will find that I have a great passion in making 3D perlers, cute stuff with perler beads, and making tutorial to show you how these amazing things can be made by yourself with perler beads. If you haven't done so, I hope you will hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll get notification when I have new tutorials or new video is uploaded. Also, check out my Instagram, Candy Perler Fairy, where I post a lot of my new 3D perlers creation there very often, and also my new website, where I post like pattern and then links to other tutorials and idea as well. I hope you will find something that you enjoy, and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, so they can make something that they like, and also that will help my channels to grow. Thank you so much. So today's tutorial is another Pikachu Pokeball tutorial. So look at, isn't he cute? So this is the Pikachu with the Pokeball. He's so cute. And then this one is made with the regular bead. So it's like the same size with my drink. Look. So this one you can, you know, bring it out with you or put it on your desk, table, anywhere. It looks so cute. Stack on the paper, or you can make like the mini bead one. So it looks like this big. It can be like a keychain or anything you like, maybe a gift. Right, super cute. So I found this picture a long time ago on Pinterest and I saved it, but I couldn't find the pattern, so I was like, I want to make this one, so I just used my crazy imagination to come up with this pattern. But I think it's very easy to build, so I hope you will like this. Also, if you haven't built the giant Pokeball, look at how cute this one is. You should check out this video right here. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can build this one as well. Ooh, these two look so cute together. And if you wonder what is this in the back, I'm gonna show you. Oops. This is the Pikachu sofa. It looks so cute, right? And then have a little Pokeball on both sides and just laying on here, and maybe add like this one right here. Super cute. That's too much talking. Let's jump into this. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started from the center. Alright, so you will need these pieces to start. So let's stack them up. So this one, let's see, let's apply the connector. This is going to be the first connector to go through here, just like so. And then this is going to be the second connector. Alright, and then this is going to be the third one. So we do it one at a time here. Yay. Alright, so this one is a little more challenging. Alright, let's add this one to the back. Okay, we got to a great start. So just make them even, because we're gonna add even layers on both sides. Okay. Alright, so these gonna be the next layer. So here on side, and then the other one onto the other side. Let's see. All right, so we have one more layer to add to the top. That will be these two. So this one will pop right here, and then this one goes to the back, just like so. All right, so these are gonna be the next ones. So you can see they will be placed just right here. Yay! And then onto the other side. All right. Oops. So again, try to find the side that, you know, that's more flat on the survey. Then these two more right here, and then right here. Isn't it easy? Last two pieces to add onto the side right here to make it more solid. Okay, all right, we got it. We got the bottom part. Yay! Let's get started. So you will need all these pieces to start. So let's start from this piece with the connector. So this go in from the top, just like so. And let's add the side pieces first. So this one will go this way, and then this one will go on to the other side, just like so. And then let's finish with the top piece. So we can almost see Pikachu's face, just like here. All right, one more piece to pop onto the top. All right, so let's start from the back right now. So let's add the pieces to the back. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this one also goes right here, just like the front part, and then the second layer, and then the last piece, just like so. All right, so let's finish with the the bottom pieces first. Right here. Oops. So this one's gonna go right here first, and then this one go right here. I like this side better. All right, so let's finish with the side pieces. Here, and then this one go in this side, and then this one will go to the other side, and then this one will pop right here, and then this one will go right here. All right, so we just need to finish with the top. Alrighty, let's finish with the ears. As you can see, this is gonna be the centerpiece. It's a little bit bigger than the other two. Alright, so let's add the connector on this side first, and then place this piece onto the top. Alright, and then we're gonna just go to the other side, just like so, and then flip it to the back, and then add the second piece. Looks awesome. And then let's add it to the Pikachu head right here. Looking good. All right, so let's tuck this piece onto the top. We're almost done here. Looking good. All right, so you know what to do next. Add it to the Pokeball, like the ice cream cone right here. Yay, we got it done. All right, looking cute and perfect. Alright, I hope you will like the video and give me a thumbs up. And if you will make one, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, you know, story or post, and I'll give you a special shout out. We want to see if you make the big one or the small one. So stay tuned for more. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.